Okay guys, you got 2001 GMC here, and this is Chevy also, in a couple years each way. If you are missing your dome light up here, it's not on. Your third brake light is not working. The other brakes are working, the two lights in the back. Third brake light's not, and the cargo light, the white light up there. All three of those are ran on the same circuit. Now you've checked fuses and relays are not working. And again, it could be one of those, two of those, or all three of those. Come down here, not in your fuse panel. We're gonna go underneath this black cover you're gonna pull off, and check this out. I've noticed this on a couple different vehicles like this now. This clip right here gets broke, and this can move out. See it push in? It can pull right back out because that clip gets broke. It gets damaged, it gets bent. I don't know if it's from vibration on these trucks or what. Check out that clip. There's your dome light. Third brake light, I promise you, works. And there's your cargo lights. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.